Alright, all I'm gonna say is my life is freaking hard. Listen, I'll tell you stuff. Been getting like someone add me on Facebook. I have three texters. Three texters. Dude, out of 417. Alright. Yeah, my name's Ali. Okay, one. My dad, I don't see him. Two, I have two stepsisters that I don't even know about. Three, his wife he hates me. His wife hates me, no, and knows about me, and she doesn't like me. Four, my friends, my friend's mom hates me for no reason. Five, my old best friend. I don't even talk to her anymore. I call her a bitch. Her mom hates me, I think. Um, my mom's starting to hate me. She's sick and tired of me. I hate my life. I seriously just freaking go. Like, I'd rather not even be on this earth anymore. Well, I do want to be on this earth, but it's not hard for me to deal with this every freaking day. Well, I don't have to deal with it every day if I'm good. Only by my mom. I live with her. I can't wait to leave to New York. Well, I'm just gonna move in it. No, when I'm 18, I'm gonna go places. I'm not gonna be here any longer. So yeah, that's my life, and I hate it. I'm gonna go. Bye.